Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will tell you how you can make a gradient floral design which look very beautiful, and you can make it by taking less time. So let's start our today's video. Now first of all, we will create a circle in the middle. I just create a circle and increase the size from this circle and go to the pen tool and add the some anchor points from this circle. Now just go to the effect and distort and transform and pucker and bloat and change the percentage is 30%. Then press OK. Then decrease the size from this flower and again go to the effect, distort and transform and change some property of horizontal is 120% and vertical is also 120% and angle is 20% and copy is 13. Then press OK. Now decrease the size from this flower. So guys, our gradient flower is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks, and the color is also very nice and very different types of color in this flower. So guys, if you like this video and method of mine, then don't forget to like and subscribe my video and channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.